Paul is busy sawing away at a piece of reclaimed marine ply. I think he got it from our neighbour.
Happy as all hell.
I've just pressed on for try number 5. It's been quite a while now, so... We're Mel and Paul, and this is our home. We're slowly fixing her up and doing our best to have a good time doing it. This is our version of boat life. Subscribe and welcome aboard. Is a stunning Saturday. Welcome back to another video. We had some grand plans, well, Paul had some grand plans to get busy on some projects this weekend, but due to slow deliveries and things not arriving, etc., our original plans have changed. If you follow our videos, you will know that our Webasto heater, the burner unit in that, went on the blink, and so we are waiting for the parts so that Paul can repair it. And that was the project plan for this weekend, is to get that all squared away. Yeah, it kind of has ended up in us having a bit of a free Saturday. So as you saw over there, Paul is busy sawing away at a piece of reclaimed marine ply. I think he got it from our neighbour. And yeah, we're having a relaxed day, and he is planning to use that for shelving in the bedroom for our cell phones. If you go back, I'll pop a link up here now if I remember. We did a video where we installed USB ports to charge our cell phones above our bed, and the last little finishing touch to that project is just making some shelves.
Yeah, that down. Yeah.
It's gonna it sticks out past
It must go up until it doesn't stick out. I measured it.
like that.
Yeah.
You don't want to put it like that.
You could put it like that if you want.
I just worry that like this, you might bump your head on it.
Okay.
Whereas like that,
Yeah.
you have less chance.
Okay.
That is just the cutest.
That's so small.
Oh my gosh.
Enjoying some sun. What sun there is. Yeah.
We're gonna come eat our burgers on the front of the boat in a sec.
Happy as all hell.
Lots of summer's day right there for you.
Cold beers. Babies. Oh man.
Hello. What do we have here?
Hiding in my dark cave.
Finally, the reinstallation. Do you need an extra set of hands?
Well, is my headlamp there in this cupboard right here?
Which one?
Right here?
This one.
Yeah. Thank you.
So this here is the old burner unit that Paul has replaced and put the new parts and put it all back together. I am joining him by eating my fried rice and a glass of wine. As you do in boat life, just carry on, roll with the punches, and mesh dinner time with working in the engine bay time. It is sure going to be a glorious situation when we finally get to press that button and get our heater working again. It looks like there is some, but it looks very low down and I can't actually judge it. Give me 2 seconds. I actually just think there's like a layer at the bottom. Does that make sense? There's some left in there.
Can you please put the electrical heater off, please? Pump softer.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think I just need to get the fuel to get to here.
Why isn't it going?
Because there's air in the line.
Okay, I've just turned it off. Back on. The radiators are definitely getting warm. I've just pressed on for try number 5. It's been quite a while now, so we're going to wait on this one, and if this one doesn't go, we're going to call it a day and come back to it in daylight when there's more time. Yeah, it's definitely getting warmer. What do you mean by bleed the radiators?
Because they've got air in them. Close up here. Now, just sort out the radiators quickly.
So, are we going with success here?
Yeah, I think it's working.
It's hot. It's getting hot. It's just deceiving because it's so quiet, like so much more quieter than the last one.
Yeah, no, the pump, they mounted the pump on the hull. That's why I was like, cool.
Oh.
And now that I've moved the pump to that piece of wood,
You can't hear it at all.
Quiet, yeah. Because the sound's not travelling through the boat anymore.
I'd love to show you right now, but it's pitch dark outside, and to be quite honest, I'm sure Paul is dying for a shower, and I'm dying for bed. So, pick this up tomorrow, but I think we can all agree the 5th time's the charm, and we have success. That's a half hour there. Bloody good. Hallelujah. Hello and good morning. You are coming with us on our weekly chore run. We've had 2 lovely mornings since we reinstalled the Webasto. A little bit windy today, and we are definitely loving being back in the luxury of a nice and toasty boat. A little bit windy today. You can see, I'll show you the movement on the water. So always not the most fun maneuvering in a marina, but yes, we need to empty the loo, and empty the loo we shall. Hopefully the rain will hold out. It is, sorry, I've got hair in my mouth. It's starting to spit a little bit, but if we can get this job done, the forecast said it would only start raining at 1. It is now about 11:30, and oh, hello ducks. And it is now 11:30, so as we all know though, you can never trust the forecast. So yeah, but if we can get back and dry. Sorry, I haven't noticed, but there's like a swan's nest down there. Little ducks flying and landing about, getting distracted by my surroundings. Yeah, hopefully we are back and dry on the boat before the shower starts. I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm even having to put the camera away now. What a miserable day, folks. We have made it without getting caught in the rain, so Paul is just going to call them to help us with the diesel. I am putting my hands, warming them on the radiator here. I think we'll get home. By home, I mean back to our berth. We're technically in our home. Yeah, cozy up for the day. I think I'm going to end this one here, folks. It has been a strange 2 weeks. We have not lit the fire once. I think we lit it once, but we've been holding off. It hasn't really dropped below 10 degrees, so we've kind of been okay. And to be honest, we're just over it. Over lighting the fire and doing the coal and all that thing. Like, it's time for summer. Could it hurry up already? We're headed back, and I just wanted to say before we go, thank you so much everybody for all your lovely comments on the video sort of 2 videos ago when our heater was on the bus and we had that really rough week out on the cut. It felt like you were all there with us, and that is the main thing that we love about making these videos and running this YouTube channel, is that we just feel so much support and that there is a lot of love out there, and please do know the feeling is 100% mutual. Have a good week, guys, and we will see you in the next one.